So let's talk about how you can write a book using your MacBook. Let's get into it. So at first, you will need to use some sort of software to write that, right, for all of the writing experience. Now, naturally, you can download a third-party text editor, but at first, I would encourage you to check out the built-in text application called Pages. It's from Apple, it's official, and it should be built into your Mac. And it is basically the equivalent of the Microsoft Word, which obviously you can get that if you want to. And using such app, you can literally just start typing and format your titles, headings, subtitles, all of course depending on how you want to have it structured, and you can just keep on doing that until you are finished with your book. Naturally, there are some different ways how you can proceed with your typing. I would personally go with Notion, as this is like a great note-taking and like projects organizing app. You have many different elements and templates and everything which you can use, all of the good stuff like linking in between pages and toggles and all of the things which you can use, right? But this is of course up to you. However, if you would like to finish a book or export it in the ebook format, it is a good idea to use an app like the Pages, which I just mentioned. Because using an app like Pages, after you are done with your book, what you can click on is the file in the top left corner, and you can easily export your finished project. And there it asks you about the different file types you want to go with. So you can export it as PDF, the docs file, but you can also choose EPUB. And EPUB is essentially the ebook format, which you can then add to your Apple Books or publish online or do whatever you want with. But this is the ultimate ebook type of stuff which you want to use. So let me know below in the comments if there are any more specific thoughts about it. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.